Hi, my name is Simon. I'm building this $1 boat to sail around the world, and this is my partner in crime, Honey. She is a 12-year-old Pitbull mix and a real sweetheart. And I thought today I would show a day in the life of a boat builder's dog. All right, let's get the day started. It's exciting. All right, well, let's go. Dinghy ride time. Let's go.
I get a lot of questions about how to take care of my dog while living on a boat, and since right now I'm just on a mooring ball, it is really similar to how you would in a home. The difference is, instead of just opening the back door, I have to hop in the dinghy and go to shore. But really, it's not that inconvenient, it's not that different, it's just a bit of carrying a dog around. Now, I got Honey many years ago here at the shipyard. She's lived here pretty much her whole life, and she's been a fixture of this shipyard since the start, so she knows this place even better than I do.
Now, Honey's not much of a morning person, so she does like to spend a good chunk of the morning just sleeping here under the desk, and this is a good chance for me to do a lot of the admin work that comes with running a YouTube channel and ordering parts for the boat. And it's a sewing shop, so I always end up doing a little bit of sewing or some sort of small workshop task for the next couple hours, basically.
Of course, being on shore, we get a couple visitors, and this morning it's Captain Mike and Milo.
Yeah, here's a day in Honey. Yeah, having a good day? Oh, that's special.
Oh, I know. How you doing with that little camera on your head, huh? Is that all right? Oh my goodness.
There's a good girl. You're always happy to see me, eh?
That's crazy stabilization. Let's go. Let's go outside. Okay.
Gotta be right on the money here. Green again.
Come here. Oh, I know. You're just such a cutie, you know that? You're such a cutie. Mike and I are distracted talking to each other, and Honey got stung on her toe by a bee that you were definitely not trying to eat, were you? There you go. So we'll give her a treat, distract her a bit. I don't think there's much I can do about a bee sting, but she's already walking on that paw, so that's good. And this is Honey's safe space. She just loves being in the van. You know, dogs, they're like that. Never wants to be left behind. So a little treat, little safe space. She'll ride it out, I guess. Sorry about your toe. Oh, sweetheart.
I think it was a wasp bite.
A bite?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that toe. I do have to make sure I always leave the windows rolled all the way down in the van because she'll find her way in there. I will lose track and she'll overheat. But she loves it. Sunroof open. All set up for my girl here. Hey? I know. It's tough. It's tough being a dog. Yeah, I know. That's tough.
And while Honey rests and recovers in the van, I take this opportunity to run out and do some boat work. Every day I do something, every day it gets a little bit better. Today it's going to be glassing the back hull, and it's kind of nice not having Honey on board because she has a tendency of putting her feet into epoxy every time I lay it out. So she can sleep it out and I can get my work done.
Morning. Hi. Did you have a nice little nap? Feeling better? Okay, we're gonna head into the village, okay? All right, so you gotta get over your seat. Quick stop at the post office. I got a P.O. box. We're gonna go pick up our mail. Here. Got boat parts. I need you to move to the other side though. Come on. Come on. Hardware store. Just gotta pick up some door skin for some pattern making material. Got a couple bulkheads to do. Alright, I'm just gonna go in and pay, okay? You stay. Alright, let's hit the road. That came in the mail. We're gonna install it. Barbecue. Be fun. Who are you barking at? You getting old? Are you losing your marbles? Is that what's going on? You're losing your marbles, aren't you? Yeah, you're losing them. I know, it's tough. It's tough. So much guilt, but doesn't stop the bark. Is there tourists out there? Is that what it is?
Get him, honey.
Oh no.
wonderful making it. Is that what the internet wants? Of course it does.
As you've seen so far, Honey is a very social dog, and with that comes the ability to normalize things with dogs that have been rescued. So this is Tony's new dog. Tony's my neighbor, and the dog has only been with him for about a week, and already Honey is really starting to lay some groundwork with this dog. It was incredibly reactive when it first got here, and now today, it's playing for the first time.
Well, she seems relatively well kind of socialized. Like she's like doing the whole
happening
play
quick.
thing pretty well. For a dog that's had no...
Simon has watched her from ground zero.
yeah.
This is new right now.
Yeah, even the playing.
How long have you had her? Okay.
Yeah, it's been quite the transformation already in just
Really? Oh, that's so cool. She's really pretty. Well, she seems to be learning it very well. Like,
And then
cool otter poo. Oh yeah, otter poo, eh? Delicious. I'm not even gonna stop you. No, by all means, go for it. That's really, really disgusting.
That tongue's gonna lick your face later on.
Absolutely not. I do not accept honey licks ever.
I mean, waste not, want not.
Yeah, you're really gross. Come on, other side.